Okay, for today's video guys, 5-minute endurance challenge, 5 exercise, 300 reps. Okay, game. So, skips tayo. 100 counts. Okay, pero kung may skip ropes kayo, pwede kayo mag-skip ropes ng 100 counts. Okay?
Keep it up.
So, ang bounce pala ng paa natin yan is sa ball of our foot. Let's go. Push tayo. So, wag magmamadali ha. Take your time or sabayan nyo si coach. Sabayan nyo ako. Let's go. A few more counts. This lang. Let's go. After this pala, next exercise natin is behind the leg clap. Okay? A few more and good job. Okay, rest ng onte. A few more seconds. Okay, onti lang. A few seconds. Okay, position. And let's go. So, hanapin nyo yung rhythm nyo ha. Huwag magmamadali. Kung pwede nyo akong sabayan, mas maganda. 80 reps ito, 80 reps. Left and right, okay? So, 80 reps. Yan. Touch lang sa likod. Bounce. Challenge your cardio. Okay, 300 repetitions. Let's go. Come on. Push tayo. Inhale, exhale. Straight body. And
Good job.
very good. Nice one. Relax. Catch your breath. Ng onte. Hinga. Next natin is jumping jacks. Okay, basic jumping jacks tayo. Let's go.
Tulay lang.
Nice one. Lambutan nyo lang yung knees nyo ha. Huwag nyo tigasan. Reach up. Taas yung kamay. 60 repetitions naman to. 60 repetitions. So, pababa po ng pababa. Ito ha. From 100, 80, 60, 40, and 20 reps. Let's go. Come on. Push. Push tayo. Push. Nice one. Let's go. Inhale, exhale ha. Inhale, exhale. Walang mag-give up. Let's go. Push tayo. Push po tayo ha. Push tayo. Alright. Nice one. Nice one. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Catch your breath. Hinga malalim through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Okay? So, yan. Relax lang. Next natin is run in place. 40 repetitions. Okay, position. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Yan. So, yung hands natin or arms natin is swinging like running. Tapos, we are bringing our knees upward ng onte na parang tumatakbo. Pero hindi ganun kataas tulad ng high knees kasi mas mahirap po iyon.
Stay with me.
Yan, tuloy lang tayo ha. Tuloy tayo. This is challenge your endurance. To challenge your endurance. Nice one. Hinga. Let's go. Next natin is side to side run. Okay, then after that may bonus sa dulo. And go. Nice one. Good job. 20 counts. Let's go. Push tayo.
Nice one.
Tiis lang.
Let's go.
Kahit 2 set lang yung gawin natin dito ha. Sa buong routine na to, buong circuit, buong challenge. Konti na lang. And stop. Okay, good job. Ito, bonus. Meron tayong bonus. Fast feet tayo, 10 counts. Let's go, fast, mabilis.
Proud of you.
Faster. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.